Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my recipe for stewed venison, also known as the deer meat. So if you guys would love to see how to make this amazing recipe, keep watching. So to start this recipe, I have my meat washed and cleaned, and to that I'm adding in salt, in goes black pepper, and oregano. The oregano really gives a lot of flavor to this. In goes chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, chopped pimento peppers, lots of it. You can also add a hot pepper if you want. Celery and scallion goes in, fresh ginger, minced garlic, green seasoning, a must in all our recipes, annatto or uku powder, and if you don't have this you can use paprika instead, or if you wanted to use both you can. All-purpose seasoning goes in next, and all I have to do is give this a good mix. Once you've mixed it in properly, you can refrigerate it overnight, or you can allow it to marinate just a few minutes if you're in a hurry, or marinate it as long as you would like. So I'm gonna let this marinate for about 15 minutes. Next, place a pot on medium heat, and to that pot add in your sugar. We're going to allow the sugar to start to melt, and we want it to start to caramelize. As it starts to melt, you want to go in and turn it to make sure that all of the granules dissolve or melt, and this allows for even browning. So this is a light amber color. I'm going for a dark caramel color. So go ahead and give this a mix, and once it's to this nice color consistency, add in your meat. Now if you didn't have deer, you can use lamb for this recipe. Lamb works really well. So go ahead and allow that to fry up without turning it for about 5 minutes. This helps to intensify that color. After that 5 minutes, go ahead and give it a mix. This trick my mom taught me, and it works with every single meat you're stewing. Now I'm going to leave it to start to simmer and for those natural juices to dry out. Once the natural juices dry out, you see that amazing color that it has? Perfect caramel color. Now we're going to add enough liquid to cover the meat. You want to cover the meat completely. You can even use chicken stock if you wanted to. So go ahead and add that in and allow this to come up to a simmer. It's going to come up to a simmer, and that water is going to start to reduce. You want to cook it to the consistency you would like. Cook it to the, if you want your meat very soft, cook it according to how you like your meat. So this still has a little while again to go. So after about 15 minutes in total, it was finished. Look how amazing that looks. A really good sauce thickness. The meat was nice and tender. Taste and adjust your salt, guys. And I served mine with Dhalpuri. You can serve it with rice. Thank you all so much for joining me today. If you try it, comment and let me know. Do remember to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.